Internet, also called the net, is an international network of computers. It is one of the largest networks that links millions or trillions of computers all over the world. You can access this network via communication devices and media such as modems, cables, telephone lines, and satellites. One of the major reasons why people buy computers these days is because of the internet. Information on anything under the sun can be obtained from millions of sites that give out the latest details, whether the latest news, sports scores, weather, or some good cooking recipe, or even information on your favorite celebrity. You have all of them on the internet. You can give a message or even talk to your friend through the net, no matter where he is. He only needs to have a computer with internet. The internet is not controlled by any individual or an organization. There is hardly any country in the world that is left untouched by the internet. A modem is a device that allows a computer to exchange information over telephone lines. The word modem is derived from a combination of the words modulate, to change into an analog signal, and demodulate, to convert an analog signal into a digital signal. Both the sending and the receiving ends of a communication channel must have a modem for the data transmission to occur. An internal modem is a circuit board that fits inside a computer. An external modem is a small box that uses a cable to connect itself to the back of the computer.
The IP address has 4 groups of numbers and is separated by a period dot. The number varies between 0 and 255. For instance, the number 153.25.15.10 is an IP address. Generally, the first part of the IP address identifies the network and the last portion identifies the specific computer. It is difficult to remember and use all numeric IP addresses. Hence, the internet favors the use of a text name that represents one or more IP addresses. The text version of an IP address is the domain name. The components of a domain name are separated by periods just like an IP address. Every domain name contains a top-level domain, TLD, abbreviation that identifies the type of organization which is associated with the domain. .com is the name sometimes used to describe an organization that has a TLD of com. The domain name system, DNS, is the system on the internet that stores the domain names and their corresponding IP addresses. Each time you specify a domain name, an internet server called the DNS server translates the domain name into its associated IP address so that the data can route to the correct computer. IP address 204.71.200.67. Domain name www.yahoo.com.